I have ordered this mini digital oscilloscope for basic signal measurements. It's the DSO138 and it works well for me. So today I'm gonna make a 3D printed enclosure for this one and also going to make it battery powered with a rechargeable lithium battery. So let's see what we need for this project. We need a lithium polymer battery. It's a 200 mAh battery and I can increase the capacity later on if needed. One TP4056 charging and discharging module, one switch, one 3V to 9V boost converter, and one Schottky diode for reverse polarity protection. So it is the connection diagram. After a bit of measurement, I made this 3D model in Onshape and let's slice and print it. Now by default this boost converter module generates 12V and according to this chart we have to open the jumper B to obtain 9V. After opening the jumper it produced 9V. Now we can connect it in parallel with the DC jack of the oscilloscope. So this video ends here and you can find the design files in the description box below. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more updates.